Hey over there, JD Restoration. How are you? My name is Ashley. So basically, I was looking in the area and I came across Restoration One, which is one of your competitors. I noticed how much traffic they're getting to their website, so I started looking for a website or a business that is currently not getting traffic to their website, and that's how I came across your guys' business. I reached out, I spoke to Charles, and yeah, in this video, I'm going to be showing you a few different things that you guys can do to start maximizing your traffic online and ultimately beat out your competition, take their spot on Google, and start getting their traffic from being in the position that they're currently in. I don't want to waste either of our time, so I am going to try and keep this nice and short. If you guys do have any questions, reach out to me. I'd love to talk some more. So I'm going to start with your guys' current website. I like how you guys have your services tab. I like how you have your form submit. This is good for conversion rates. I would suggest having a non-emergency phone number. When it comes to your website, it's all about catering to your customers and it's all about how user-friendly it is. So first off, I noticed that you guys do serve other areas other than Palm Beach, so I would suggest having a locations tab. Back to about user friendly and catering to your customers is when somebody comes to your website, they don't want to have to scroll all the ways down here just to find that you do service their area. Also, they don't want to have to scroll just to find if you offer a service that they're looking to get. So just to let you know that. So scrolling through on your homepage, I notice you guys are lacking content. And when I'm talking about content, it's everything that I have highlighted. First off, if you don't have enough content, Google is not able to decipher what your website is, therefore they can't rank you accordingly. Second of all, if you don't have enough content, then we're not able to fit in keywords, which I'll get into in here in a little bit, and then you'll be flagged for keyword stuffing. You'll basically be blacklisted, and you do not want that to happen. There are strategic ways about going about all of this. We're constantly having to evolve and learn on a day-to-day basis because Google's algorithms, guidelines, everything is constantly changing. So look, I did a general search in the area for water damage remediation in Palm Beach, Florida, because this specific keyword search has the most search volume. So I found that these guys from the organic section are your competitors, and I'm going to show you how to beat these guys. Restoration One. So basically, looking at their website, they do have more content than you guys. They do have some keywords in their content that they're trying to rank for. But the thing is, they're not considered an authority yet. So I would definitely suggest to go and get 1,500 to 2,000 words. That's where Google likes to see. Of content and fit in some keywords that you want to be found for. And you'd already be beating these guys in that aspect as far as content goes. So if we come back here, I'm just going to break down Google for you. As you can see, the first thing that you can see are the Google guaranteed ads. And a lot of people like these because Google will guarantee the job up to a certain percentage, and that's in terms of money. Now, the conversion rate for these are pretty high, and that's good for you because that means that you're only getting charged for calls. And as I'm sure you're aware, most of the time when people are calling, they're more prone to actually making a purchase rather than filling out a form submit where they just want to know more. I like these a lot more rather than the local ads because I feel like the local ads, which you get charged for per click, they can become very costly. So moving on down to this GMB, Google My Business, what I would suggest for this area is I would suggest to go and find all the different directories that these guys are listed in, and I'd list myself in all of those on top of like 300 more. Because look, whatever your competitors had to do, you're going to have to do the same exact thing and then some, right? Because you want to get above them. So definitely go and get some more citations. If you're wondering what a citation is, it's your business's name, address, and phone number listed across the web in different directories such as Yelp, Angie's List, stuff like that. Now moving on down to this last section of Google, this directly deals with your website. Now getting in here requires having backlinks. when it comes to backlinks, you want the most relevant backlinks pointing at you, and that's for the most effectiveness. Now, on a side note, I just want to let you know, these are your competitors for this specific keyword search. Now, if I were to type in this exact phrase, but in Miami, Florida, you could have completely different competitors. So we need to beat out your competition all across Google. But back down to here, to get you in this area, we need to beat out your competition in every aspect possible. So we come to a paid resource I pay monthly for. We currently see your stats, and I'll show you your competitors here in a minute. So right now, your website is not powerful at all. Your UR, which is the trust flow of your website, has no data, and that tells me that Google does not think of your website as trustworthy or legit. And then your backlink rating is only a 4.1, which is not strong at all. And that's because you only have one backlink, which is not a lot at all. I don't know if you guys are currently working with an SEO company. I hope not, because they're not doing anything. I add for some clients, depending on the algorithm in the day, I add 10 backlinks to a client's backlink profile, and like I said, in one day. And then you're currently only being found for 2 organic keywords, which you are being found for nothing that has to do with the services that you guys offer, which is another reason why you guys are not getting any traffic to your website. As you can see, your website is not getting no traffic at all, and therefore your traffic value is 0. So if we come over to your competitor, we can see that they do have a more powerful site than you guys. Now, don't let these numbers scare you, because these are beatable with time. Now look, if these backlinks are strong enough to get them in the position that they're in, then they're strong enough to get you there too, right? So what I'd do is I'd get these backlinks that are currently pointing at them, and I'd get them pointing back at you. And then once you beat them in content, you beat them in backlinks, you take this spot that they're currently in, and you start seeing that traffic that they're currently seeing, which they're currently being read at 219 people per month. That's 219 people going to their site per month. I hope you can see how valuable it can truly be being on this first page of Google. It really can. Especially in this circumstance. Like, that's a lot of people. Now, they're currently being found for 34 organic keywords, and just to kind of break it down for you, 300 people are going in that Google search bar and they're typing water cleanup West Palm Beach, Florida per month. These are all per month. And out of those 300, 106 of them are directly going to their website. You guys are missing out on so much traffic. Let's say you were to land 10 out of those 106. And let's lowball it. You get $1,000 per job. That's $10,000 off just one keyword. That's one alone. Oh my goodness. I hope you can see truly how valuable it can be for you guys. As you can see, the next one here, 17 people going right to their site, another 17, another 12. You get the idea. I would go throughout all of your competitors, find the high volume, low KD, relevant keywords, and I'd place them throughout that 1,500 to 2,000 words of content I was talking about. That's why we need that much. So we're able to fit them in very easily. Because like I said, there's a strategic way of going about it. But that's all I have for you guys right now. Reach out. I'd love to talk some more. Look, there's a lot of people to be helped. There's a lot of business to be made. It's just not going to happen being on the 5th, 6th, 7th page of Google. If you're not on the first page of Google, as you can see, you guys are not on the first page of Google. You guys are not getting any traffic. Meanwhile, these guys are on the first page of Google, and look at all the traffic they're getting. I have the tools, the means, and the knowledge to get you guys in the position that you deserve to be in. It just takes you guys wanting to take your business to the next level. So reach out. I'd love to talk some more, and I look forward to hearing from you guys. Have a great one. Bye-bye.